Name is Anna. I want to tell you a simple story. It is about someone I missed very much. Every morning, I woke up early and looked at my phone. I hoped to see his message. But the screen was always quiet. No message. No call. My heart felt heavy. He was my best friend. We talked every day before. We laughed, shared small stories, and helped each other. When I was sad, he listened. When I was happy, he smiled with me. One day, everything changed. He stopped talking. I did not know why. I waited for him. I waited for one day, then 2 days, then many days. At night, I sat near the window and looked at the sky. I thought about him. I remembered his voice and his kind words. I whispered softly, "I miss you." I did not know where he was. I did not know if he missed me too. But in my heart, I still hoped he would come back. The next morning, I felt tired. I did not sleep well. His thoughts were always in my mind. I made tea and sat quietly at the table. The house felt empty. I tried to stay busy. I cleaned my room and read a book, but nothing helped. Every little thing reminded me of him. His favorite song played on the radio, and my eyes filled with tears. I decided to send him a message. My hands were shaking as I typed, "Are you okay?" I waited. Minutes passed. Hours passed. There was no reply. In the evening, I went for a short walk. The road was calm, and the air was cool. I remembered the times we walked together and talked about our dreams. I smiled sadly. That night, I looked at our old messages. I read them again and again. I missed his care, his jokes, and his presence in my life. Before sleeping, I closed my eyes and prayed. I prayed for him. I prayed for an answer. The next day, my phone rang suddenly. My heart started beating fast. I picked it up quickly. It was his name on the screen. I could not speak at first. My hands were cold. Then I said softly, "Hello?" He was quiet for a moment. Then he said, "I'm sorry." His voice sounded tired and sad. I felt tears in my eyes, but I listened. He told me he was going through a hard time. He felt lost and confused. He did not want to hurt me, so he stayed silent. I understood his pain, but my heart still hurt. I told him how much I missed him. I told him how empty my days felt without his words. He listened carefully. "I missed you too," he said. Those words warmed my heart. For the first time in many days, I felt a little peace. The call ended, but my heart felt lighter. I knew things were not perfect yet, but at least we talked. That night, I smiled before sleeping. I missed him, but now I had hope. After that phone call, my life slowly started to change. I still missed him every day, but the pain was not as heavy as before. We began to talk again, not like before, but gently and carefully. Sometimes we talked for only a few minutes, yet those minutes meant everything to me. I learned that missing someone does not always mean losing them forever. It means caring deeply, even when things are difficult. I understood that people can be silent not because they do not care, but because they are fighting their own battles. I became more patient and stronger inside. At night, when I looked at the sky, I no longer felt alone. I felt thankful that he came back into my life, even in a small way. I smiled and whispered, "I still miss you, but now I understand."